In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom out on Hotmail, a quick and easy process that shouldn't take more than 5 minutes. Whether you're trying to get a better overview of your emails or reduce the size of the items on your screen, following these steps will help you achieve the desired zoom level. So, let's get started. First, you need to access your Hotmail account, which is now integrated into Outlook through Microsoft 365. Go to the Outlook login page on your preferred web browser. This is where you enter your credentials to gain access to your email account. If you're already logged in, you might be taken straight to your inbox, bypassing this step. You can do this by typing in the URL or searching for Outlook login in your favorite search engine. Once you're on the Microsoft 365 sign-in page, click on the Sign In button. This will prompt you to enter your email address and password associated with your Hotmail account. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, make sure to have your device handy to confirm your identity. After successfully logging in, you'll arrive at your email dashboard. Look for the Mail section, which is usually on the left side of the screen. You can do this by clicking on Outlook, which should direct you straight to your inbox. Next, navigate to the Inbox. This is where all your received emails are stored. It can be found on the left-hand panel, and clicking it will display all your messages in the main window to the right. Scanning through your emails list, choose any email by either clicking on the subject line or the sender's name. This action will open the email in full view, enabling you to manage its details. Now, to adjust the zoom settings, locate the View option. This is usually found in the menu bar at the top of the screen in the web interface. Clicking on View will present several drop-down options that you can adjust according to your preferences. In the drop-down menu under View, you'll find the Zoom option. Selecting this will open a small box or window where you can modify how much you want to zoom in or out. Finally, to zoom out, click on the minus icon, represented often as a small dash or heart sign. This action will gradually reduce the zoom level, thereby making everything appear smaller and allowing you to see more content on your screen. Adjust this setting until you reach a zoom level that you're comfortable with. And there you have it, a straightforward way to zoom out on Hotmail using the integrated Outlook interface. I hope this tutorial was helpful and you can now comfortably adjust your screen size to better fit your workflow needs. If this video helped, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more handy tech tips. Thanks for watching and have a great day.